Today I'm going to show you another type of crochet cords. If you use thin yarns like this is old cotton yarns, like this thin yarn, you can make beautiful bracelets like this, or even you can use this as a cord for your bags, crochet bags. And this is, I use 4mm crochet hook for this yarn, macrame yarn, and you will get a cord like this. It's very beautiful. You can use this as a cord or like hanging basket for your plants. Also, I use 6.5mm crochet hook to make this cord with the thicker macrame cords like this. This is really good for hanging basket for your plants, indoor plants. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use this 100% cotton macrame yarn and 4mm crochet hook. Before you start, always take as much as yarn you need, because once you start this crochet cord, macrame cord, it's difficult or fiddly for you to go back and roll the yarn. Okay, as usual, you're going to start with the slip knot. Going to do chain 2, 1, 2 chains. Now skip one chain and pull through the yarn. Now you have 2 loops in the hook, so make sure it's very loose, so always pull and keep it loose. Now hold your thumb here so the loops won't go. Take your hook out, pull through the yarn through the first loop and pull through the yarn from the second loop like this. Now move your thumb, take the yarn a little bit. Now always loosen it, stretch a bit, loosen it, hold it with your thumb tight, take your hook out, pull the yarn through from the first loop and pull the yarn from the second loop. That's it, you made 2 chains now. Hold again tight, take your hook out, pull through the yarn from the first loop, then pull through the yarn from the second loop. That's it, very easy. Once you started, you will keep going like this. Take the hook out, pull through the yarn and pull through from the second. Loosen it, put your thumb here, keep tight. Always make sure this is tight. Pull through, pull through. You can always pause the video, go back and start again if you're not sure. Keep tight, pull through and pull through. So this macrame yarn, I bought it from Aldi yarn sale. This is a very good macrame yarn for crochet bags and cords. So keep continue until reach the cord for your desired length. for your bag, or cord for your crochet bag, or you can use it for hanging basket for your plants pots. So it's very easy and simple, and this is really beautiful for bracelets. Hope you like my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share. I'll meet you with another type of code in my next video. Thank you for watching.